What you're looking at here is a Union Hugger from the early to mid 80s. I want to say about 83, maybe 84. This thing is what we like to, or at least what I like to call a cylinder hugger, seeing as the motor housing is not your typical hugger shape. It is more of a cylinder, more of a can. So yeah, like I was saying, the motor is cast iron. It is labeled Union Ngok Kee. Probably pronounced that wrong, but yeah, you get the gist. It's a 42-inch fan. It also makes it my third hugger with a cast iron spinner motor. The third 42-inch hugger. Some people have none. Poor things. Let's see what it does. Starting on low. It has a bit of bearing noise. Bit of a low-pitched moan, so let's go to medium. Now to high. The bearings are a bit loud, but that's from heavy use. They're still rather smooth. Speed-wise is about average for a 42-inch fan. So it's nowhere near as fast as cast iron moss, red scarabs. So let's turn it off and let it spin down. Now, reverse it. This is another one of those cases where the reverse is slower than forward. With a lot of older fans, motors were really only designed to run counterclockwise, or downdraft. They didn't work so well in reverse for whatever reason. A little slower. This is one of those cases. Medium. The finish on this fan is antique white with what I believe are polished brass or bright brass blade irons, but they could have been something akin to like platinum, or there's some kind of other finish on them that seems to have rubbed off or something of that nature. The motor is the same antique white color, so it hasn't been repainted in any way. Now to high speed. It's not quite as fast as it is in forward. Let it coast down one more time. And there you go.